Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're all well. Getting ready to go out for a paddle, and you might have seen the video where I talked about tie-out points and how to create them in a boat that doesn't have any without using glue and attaching D-rings. Let me show you how I actually did that. So there are my lashes, this is the boat. Very few tie-out points and I've got a lot of gear today. So I'm going to show you what I actually do. Now bearing in mind this only works where you've got a separate drop stitch floor chamber. So 2 pontoons, drop stitch floor chamber. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these lashes. They're just cheap lashes from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description and the pinned comment. And I'm going to feed it underneath the drop stitch floor. Like that. I'm going to put one there. That will feed that one further back. Another one through. And we'll put one in at the front as well. So with them fed under the floor, all I have to do now is inflate it. So now the boat is inflated. The drop stitch floor is holding these in place, and I can now tie things to these. Superb, right? Not a bad little idea. As I say, it only works with a boat with pontoons and a separate drop stitch floor chamber. Saves gluing D-rings on. Let me know in the comments if you like this idea. You take care. Thanks for watching. You know what to do about liking, subscribing and all that jazz. Alright, you take care. Cheerio. Bye.